The Cadillac XT4 is going to debut at the 2018 New York Auto Show, according to a recent report from Automotive News. Slotting below the larger XT5, the XT4 will be the second crossover in Cadillac's lineup and should give General Motors' luxury brand an entry-level model that's more attainable, bringing more potential buyers to its showrooms. Cadillac revealed to Automotive News that the debut has been scheduled for March 28, ahead of the 2018 New York Auto Show's preview days, and that it will take place at the Cadillac House in Manhattan. The XT4 is expected to help boost Cadillac's sales in China and diversify the brand's US lineup, which is currently heavy on sedans. It will also be the first of 5 new vehicles that the brand will introduce through 2020. Earlier this year, we reported that the Cadillac XT4 will be built at General Motors' Fairfax assembly plant in Kansas City, Kansas, alongside the Chevrolet Malibu. Prototype vehicles have already been assembled at the plant. Cadillac boss Johan Dennison revealed in an earlier report that the XT4 is the right size and has the driving dynamics and sophistication expected of a vehicle wearing the Cadillac crest. The Cadillac XT4 is expected to use the same platform underpinning the Chevrolet Malibu to help minimize costs. Automakers have started building crossovers alongside cars to ensure that the latter remains profitable.